Hey everyone, JJ at Micro Futures. We are looking at the FOMC pre-movement here. As you can see on our chart, price action starting to get a little jumpy, right? Our lower stops are all down here. Our shorts are trapped right here where that overnight high got broken. You can see we have a P profile. If I collapsed this, it would actually show a P, and you'd see the shorts are trapped right under the base of that P. So now let's see, as the news starts to come in, right, things are going to start getting a little jumpy. Let's see what kind of reaction we get. Our lower stops are here under 68. We've already run the upper stops in this L period, or I period, I'm sorry. Now we go, boom, there's the lower stop run, right? As you can see, we're coming down. Didn't take out that old overnight low, or actually the overnight low is down here, right? We came down, took out the lower stops, right? And if it can't take out this overnight low, then we're going to turn and we're going to ratchet all the way back up. So just keep an eye on that. I'll just pop this back up here. And you can see this is the bird's eye view. This is a detailed look. You see how they're getting responsive buying at the open? That's the shorts that are coming in to cover that got trapped. There's still shorts that are trapped under this area. And if we relax supply, the market will try and run the lower stops. If it can't run the lower stops, what it's going to do is it's going to turn and jump as it's doing now. You see that? So it looked under the open, got a poor low, right? We got a double bottom here. Let's see if that corrects, right? Oh, that's not a double bottom. It is a poor low, right? We're going to come down and test it again, right? And if you don't see that low being ripped, be careful trading this. I always tell people to be careful. But if we can't take that, it's going to turn and rip. But give it a few seconds because algos are going a little nuts right now. Just step aside, let that happen, watch the reaction. Look, when we come down and bang against the close, there was a responsive buyer right there. You don't need any fancy software to tell you that. You know where the close is from yesterday. As soon as the market gets down there, there's a response. See? Now, the more it bangs on that, it's going to break, and it's going to come and target the overnight low. Right? So now the overnight low is a target. We're going to go take that out. There, we just did that. We're going to find some buying there. Right? Now, what happens is the book is very thin, the order book. There's very little liquidity, so it's going to rip and hit these lower stops and try and gun for this. As soon as it guns for these lower stops, the short sellers are going to come in and they are going to try and buy back their positions because they're short from yesterday. Also, you'll notice yesterday that we barely filled the gap, right? So we'll be looking for really responsive buying at the previous day's low, which is one tick above the high from the previous day. So this is FOMC. It's not really that crazy, right? Now what we did was we took the stops here. We took these stops. Let's see if we could take the previous day's low, right? If we can't take out that previous day's low, what's going to happen is the market is going to turn and start going higher looking for supply, right? These are very difficult days to trade, right? And you really, really want to take it easy, let this go by, and then come in. And there's probably going to be some really nice trades for you, right? Once it settles in a little bit, right? Now we're back above in that overnight range, right? And a lot of people, if you're following price, sometimes they'll get caught short here. If people get caught short here and there's not enough supply to break the previous day's low, market's going to rip right back up. And it's going to come right back to the area where the cost basis of the last 36 hours is. It's right here. They just took this, sold it up here. Now they sold the market down. And what's going to happen is it's just going to go back and forth. If there's a heavy seller, that heavy seller is going to break 40.15, which is this big line here, and it's going to gun for these short positions here. This is where people are trapped short. They're short here, here, and here. So if we have enough supply, it'll come down and break into that short area. Otherwise, it's just going to go back and forth in a very, very choppy manner. Come see us if you want to learn how price moves, how inventory moves price, right? And how to be on the right side of it. Please come spend some time with us at microefutures.com. It's a great trading room. It's completely focused on trading and how to trade better, make a living. And we keep the price low so people can take their time and learn how to do this properly and become proper business people operating a proper business and get paid for it. Have a great, great night. Trade safe. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.